Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can convert any video from your gallery to GIF on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get down to our topic. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then go to the bottom right corner, to the Gallery section. Then in the search, type in the word GIF. And go to the very first GIF you created and tap Add. Now that you have added this shortcut, go to All Shortcuts in the bottom left corner. Then click on Create GIF. And here you can select any video that you have in your gallery. And then also at the top here you can, let's say, cut it down to the size you want. And if you're happy with the result, then you in the top right corner click Save. So your GIF will be saved. And you can find it in your gallery. Friends, this is how you can easily convert video to GIF on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Please give us your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.